Kia ora whānau. So today I'm just going to let you know what you can expect for harvest this week. So as we're kind of just going into autumn, we've still got quite a bit of our summer stock, so you can expect to have salads, lots of lettuce greens, we've got basil and a few selected herbs, spring onions that's available as well. We've also got eggplants, a few capsicums, we've got the last of our tomatoes too, and a few kamukamu. What we can expect for the rest of the season, we're kind of going into planting our beetroot, our broccoli and our more winter stock, because it's been quite wet, so we're going to have things like cabbages coming up a lot more too, as well as a ready supply of silver beet and our leafy greens for as it gets colder. You know, our whānau wanting those boil up kai, so we're going to have that type of food available too, whānau. Hope to see you all there. Make sure you keep posted with our social media posts so we can keep you updated as to when our harvest is going to be. Nau mai, haere mai.